What are AI agents and how do they work? AI is evolving fast. Earlier, AI could only answer questions. It acted like a chatbot. Now, AI is moving beyond responses. It can take actions. What are AI agents? AI agents are systems that can understand goals, break tasks into steps, make decisions, execute actions automatically. They behave more like digital employees than simple tools. How AI agents work? The process looks like this. User gives instruction, AI understands intent, breaks it into tasks, uses tools/APIs, executes actions, delivers results. This is not just answering. This is doing the work. What makes them powerful? AI agents combine multiple capabilities: reasoning, decide what to do, memory, remember context, tools, interact with systems, automation, execute tasks. This combination makes them scalable. Real-world examples: customer support agents resolving tickets, AI scheduling meetings automatically, IT agents fixing system issues, business workflows running without manual effort. They reduce human workload significantly. Why companies are adopting them? Businesses want faster execution, lower operational costs, 24/7 availability, scalable automation. AI agents deliver all of this. The big shift: earlier humans plus tools, now humans plus AI agents. AI is moving from assistant operator. The challenge: AI agents still need monitoring, security controls, human oversight, because wrong decisions at scale can create risk. The future: AI agents will not replace humans completely, but they will handle repetitive, process-heavy work. Humans will focus on strategy, creativity, decision-making. The final take: AI agents are not just tools. They are becoming a core layer of enterprise systems. Rocket